even softer. I think what they have mentioned, and the stock moves like this. When it went down from 2,500 to 1,100, we kept seeing lower circuits of 5%, and then from 1,100 to 1,900 also was 6-7 days of 5%. Okay, but to their credit, they have 23, 24 patents because of the emergency procurement by the government. They have 100% market share there. So as more orders come up, they should do well, and they're doing a lot of stuff in the anti-drone system as well. Have about 24 patents, if I'm not wrong, one of the highest any Indian company that. So you have to live with this volatility. You have to look at and have in the portfolio. So we have Solar, we have Zen, we have Bharat Electronics, and we have small exposure in HAL now. See, India has done down to now 29 squadrons. We need like 43 in case tomorrow if we have a 3 waves. So that also gives you some kind of stability and not as much as lumpy as some of the other businesses are.
Okay, so Solar, BEL, Zen, and a little bit of HAL. That's your defense.
Where we did it, right? It will be 15th of May.
It was just after Operation Sindoor, I think.
Yeah, so 15th of May.
Yeah.
And guess what? The Nifty Defense Index from that point had a nice, not a very large rally.
Yeah.
We are exactly back at after trip. We're back at the 15th of May levels. The short point being that and we were making that point back then that news flow and everything is one thing, but when you're buying stocks, you have to be careful about what you pay. Both are equal in that sense. So I think it's important. Even something like an Idea Forge. I mean, I'm surprised. I'm looking at this now. Because I thought it rallied quite hard. I mean, from 360, 370 levels.
Yeah.
Just had a one-way move to about 650. It's back to 450 you pay. Otherwise, especially when you have this a little bit of a frenzy, momentum, you buy something and then you're stuck. Then you don't know. You're waiting for probably wait a while. Get your price. So let's just focus on that a little bit. Stocks up about 5.5%. And let's get the details of the results first with Ekta, who will play out the sound bites.
Well, yes, Laurus Lab, the guidance in the conference call has been quite encouraging post the numbers that came out during market hours on fixed. Gross margins could possibly expand to around 55 to 60% in coming quarters. They do not provide a quantitative top-line guidance for FY26, but they've said that they've laid the Jefferies as well underperform, raised the target price to 590, and Kotak Institutional has raised their target price to 555 and have a sell rating on the stock. In fact, let's listen into what the management had to tell us earlier today.
Our gross margins are 9% now. Looking at the prospects, what we have, and we estimate the gross margins will remain between 55% to 60%. Primarily because of higher contribution coming from non-ARP. Now we were able to move towards 500 crores per quarter. And we estimate the run rate looking good. as you are aware, CMO business is bumpy, but for the entire year, we expect the CDMO revenue
Nearly about 48% now on a year-to-date basis.